Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your rewards. So first thing first, you have to complete some survey, also received tasks, and get some money. So the minimum payout is $2. So now I have 51 cents. So I have to get $1.45 more until my next payout. So let's see in my rewards history. So in total I get $11.30. I completed 59 surveys, 5 payouts, and 4 receipt tasks. So my first payout was on December 9, 2023. It was $2.18, then April $2, $2.11, $2.19, $2.27. So I got my money on my PayPal account, then I can transfer it on my bank account or turn it into cash, or use it through PayPal or PayPal debit card. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe for more.